Crafting successful email campaigns involves understanding your audience, creating compelling content, and utilizing data analytics. Focus on personalized messaging and clear calls to action to boost engagement. Regularly test and optimize your campaigns to enhance conversion rates and achieve measurable business outcomes in the digital age. In 2025, email marketing remains crucial, with nearly 4.5 billion global users, expected to grow to 4.8 billion by 2027. It offers a remarkable return on investment of $36 per dollar spent, a 3,600% return. Additionally, 60% of consumers prefer email for brand communication, underscoring its continued relevance and effectiveness. Email marketing stands out for its cost-effectiveness, surpassing paid social media and video campaigns. With 88% of users checking email multiple times daily, it ensures consistent engagement. Notably, 48% of United States millennials prefer email for brand interactions, highlighting its role as a preferred channel for deals and promotions. A successful email campaign hinges on 4 core components: a compelling subject line to boost open rates, engaging body content with a 60-40 text-to-image balance, a clear call to action guiding the recipient's next steps, and consistent sender information to foster trust and brand recognition. Adhering to the 60-40 rule in email campaigns is crucial. Ensure at least 60% text and no more than 40% images to enhance deliverability and engagement. Include a minimum of 400 characters of text to avoid spam filters. Use descriptive alternative text for images to maintain message clarity if visuals fail to load. Open rate measures initial engagement, with industry averages between 15 to 35%. Click-through rate indicates deeper interest through link clicks. Conversion rate tracks actions like purchases or sign-ups. Bounce rate highlights delivery issues, distinguishing between hard and soft bounces. Unsubscribe rate helps assess list health and content relevance. Nonprofit organizations achieve the highest open rates at 40.04%, indicating strong engagement. In contrast, e-commerce faces challenges with a click-through rate of just 1.74%. These benchmarks, sourced from MailChimp's December 2023 data, provide valuable insights for evaluating your campaign's performance against industry standards. Nonprofits excel with a 40.04% open rate and 3.27% click-through rate, maintaining a low 0.18% unsubscribe rate. Business and finance follow with a 31.35% open rate and 2.78% click-through rate. E-commerce faces challenges with a 29.81% open rate and 1.74% click-through rate, alongside a 0.19% unsubscribe rate. Crafting effective subject lines involves personalization and urgency. Use recipient names and time-sensitive language to enhance open rates. Ensure mobile optimization by keeping subject lines under 50 characters. Write benefit-driven copy that aligns with audience interests, and place a clear call to action button above the fold for maximum visibility and conversion. A successful email campaign begins with a compelling subject line like, "Exclusive 20% off just for you today only." Personalize with the recipient's first name to enhance connection. Highlight offer benefits with engaging imagery. Ensure a prominent Shop Now button for easy engagement. Include a professional footer with contact details, unsubscribe link, and social media icons for compliance. Utilize comprehensive dashboards to track opens, clicks, and conversions, offering real-time insights into campaign performance. Monitor engagement patterns and conversion funnels. Segment data by device type, time, and demographics to understand audience responses. Identify top-performing links and content while monitoring unsubscribe and bounce rates to maintain list health and deliverability. Analyzing email performance over time highlights peak engagement periods. By examining opens and clicks weekly, you can optimize send times and refine content strategies for maximum impact. This data-driven approach ensures your campaigns are both timely and relevant, enhancing overall effectiveness. Segment your audience by behavior, preferences, and demographics for personalized emails. Use A/B testing to refine subject lines, send times, and content. Implement marketing automation for efficient lead nurturing. Coordinate email and short message service channels to prevent repetitive messaging, ensuring a cohesive multi-channel strategy. Apply the 80-20 rule by focusing on the 20% of users generating 80% of your revenue. Amplify top-performing emails that drive the most engagement. Prioritize high return on investment channels and content. Concentrate efforts on engaged segments and high-performing content to maximize efficiency. Allocate resources where they yield the greatest impact for optimal results. Mastering basic email campaigns is crucial for maximizing impact. Email remains a high return on investment channel with vast reach. Craft balanced campaigns using the 60-40 rule and personalized messaging. Continuously track metrics like open rates and click-through rate. Focus on engaged segments with the 80-20 rule. Start simple, test, and scale smartly for success.